How to stop automatic or forced Windows updates with a simple registry tweak. Windows updates often surprise users at a very inconvenient time, and you may have to wait for a long time to use your computer when you might have important work to get done. But with this tweak, you can pause updates for much longer than the standard 5 weeks. If you click on the Windows Start button and then type in Pause Updates, then click on Pause Updates, it says that you can pause updates for 1 week. But if you click on the down arrow next to Pause for 1 week, then you can set it to pause for up to 5 weeks. But with this simple registry tweak, you'll see how you can set this to pause for much longer, 1 year, or even pause for 10 years if you want. So first we'll show the manual way to edit the registry, and then we'll show an easier way by using a text file with a .reg extension. So the manual way is with the Registry Editor in Windows. First, click on the Windows Start button, type in Registry Editor, click on Registry Editor, and user account control will ask for your permission. Click on Yes. Double-click on HKey Local Machine, double-click on Software, double-click on Microsoft, double-click on Windows Update, double-click on UX, and then click on Settings. And you can also navigate to this location by pasting the text in the top field of the Registry Editor, and the location text to copy that starts with HKey Local Machine is in the description for this video. So highlight what's already there in the field and then paste in the folder location and press Enter. In the right pane, look for Flight Settings Max Pause Days. If it isn't there, then you can create it by right-clicking in a blank spot in the right pane, and then click on New, and then DWord 32-bit value. Change the name to Flight Settings Max Pause Days with capital letters at the start of each word. Then double-click Flight Settings Max Pause Days and click on Decimal and change the value to 365 to be able to pause for 1 year, or change it to 3,650 to be able to pause it for 10 years. Click on OK, and then close Registry Editor. Now you can go back to Pause Updates. Click on Start, type Pause Updates, click on Pause Updates, and when you click on the down arrow next to Pause for 1 week, then you can scroll down in the box and see that you can pause for up to 521 weeks if you had set it for 10 years. Now we'll show you the easier automatic way to do this with a simple text file with a .reg extension. Click on Windows Start button, type in Notepad, and click on the Notepad app. Then you will paste this text into Notepad, and this text is in the description for this video. You can copy it and then paste it into Notepad. What this file will do is automatically change the registry with Flight Settings Max Pause Days set to 10 years. It's in hexadecimal, so the E42 means 3,650 days. It will also automatically change the pause updates expiry time to the year 2036 so that you don't have to set pause updates manually in the Windows Update settings. So in Notepad, click on File, then Save As. Change the Save As type to All Files, ***. Type a file name like pauseupdates10years.reg. The important part is to end it with .reg. Set the file location at the top to your desktop and then click on Save. Close Notepad. Now on your desktop, look for the registry file and double-click it to run it. User account control will ask, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click on Yes. Registry Editor will say, adding information can unintentionally change or delete values and cause components to stop working correctly. Are you sure you want to continue? So of course, if you don't feel comfortable, then don't click on Yes. There are no warranties if things go wrong. Use at your own risk. But many users have used this registry tweak, and it has been very beneficial. So after clicking on Yes, Registry Editor will say that the keys and values have been successfully added to the registry. Click on OK. So now, when you are ready to do a Windows update, at a time when you don't have important work to do right away, and you don't have an important meeting that a surprise update delays because the updates take a long time to install, then you can go to Start, type in Updates, click on Check for Updates, then click on Resume Updates. Now, after you do a Windows update, it may reset your pause settings. So then you can run the registry tweak again so that updates will not interrupt you again until you are ready. Another problem that you might come across is Windows not letting you shut down or restart without installing an update. There is a registry tweak to fix that as well. In the description to this video is a link for the video with that registry tweak.